Hey YouTube, just thought I'd let you know I'm getting ready to go camping this weekend. Going to Makinson's Island. Got my boat, everything ready to go. I will let you see all the way out to the island and let you enjoy my trip. Also, I bring a few new items I'm gonna probably do a review on. And I'll let you know at that time, show you them. Anyway, heading to the lake, I'll let you know when I get there. Alright, well, I'll be back. Have a good day. Well, I'm here at the lake, getting ready to go launch my boat. Have a few other people, they're pulling their boats and stuff out right now. Alright, well, I'm here at the lake. Just doing a quick boat check here. Making sure everything's all set. Make sure my plug is in. Yep, that's it. Got my shaft all set up here. Here we are. Got a solar panel today. Also got my GoPro hooked up. I'm going to be using it in just a minute when I pull away. Give you some good video footage. Alright, well. Guess I'm gonna get the boat in the water. Alright, well, I just launched the boat. It's sitting back there waiting for me. Just gotta park the truck in the trailer now. Unfortunately, I can't get any good footage with the GoPro today. I forgot to put the SD card in it. So, no GoPro. Oh well. Maybe next time I'll get the GoPro. Alright, well, got my boat in the water. Stopped over at the marina real quick. Now it's time for me to get into my boat. See if we get the thing running. And go off. Well, I'll get it running. Alright, well, we're out here using the trolling motor to get out of the marina. A lot easier. Little motor. Once I get out in the big lake, I will switch over to the big motor. It's just this marina, a lot of times it's hard to maneuver that motor. Confined area and such a long tail. That's all I could say. Sounds like a boat coming in. Alright, well. Almost gonna get ready to hit the big one. Don't push us too fast, but it's definitely faster than walking or rowing. Alright. Going straight over to Makinson's Island here. As soon as I get the big bubble going. Just want to get out of everyone's way just in case they come in fast. Probably going to be my fishing speed right here. Nice and slow. Alright, well, I gotta get the big motor up and going. Fuel pump. Alright, while I'm doing that, I gotta disconnect the little trolling motor and put it away. So, alright, give me a minute. Alright, so you can see I got the big motor going. We should not be back here until Saturday evening.